Hey, good morning, folks. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Lots to talk about in weather. As always, it is Michigan, so let's get right to it. We're going to talk about pretty widespread storm system heading this way for tonight into Wednesday. Chances of rain, maybe the amounts of rainfall, and then after that, the heat heads in, and we'll talk about how long the heat lasts. It's not a super long heat wave. Will go from hot for a couple of days to very warm, it looks like, next week. So let's get to it. And as always, if you have any questions about the weather or comments, just go ahead and chime on in. All right, here we go. Here is the radar. Hey, good morning, Walkerville. Here's the radar, and you can see the first signs of the storm system heading this way, still way off to the west. Those thunderstorms will get into the southwest corner during the afternoon, far southwest corner, and here it is, the radar forecast. Let me start for you, 8 o'clock this morning. Let's go to noon. Here's noon, and thunderstorms coming through the Chicago area. And then early afternoon, this is 3 o'clock, so I would say the only place that gets thunderstorms today is the southwest corner. Okay, Grand Haven, not till after 5. This is 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and those should run out of gas as they move toward the east. This main storm system still to our west. Okay, now we're into late evening, 10 o'clock. And that's when the action will start, it looks like, developing. We'll start to see these thunderstorms develop overnight. And 3 in the morning, 5 in the morning. And what you're noticing is a rotation point right here. That's a low pressure center. That's something that I think we keep an eye on, because typically a low pressure center with a closed circulation around it in the middle of summer typically could produce severe weather. So I think we need to watch that. We're at 9, 10, 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, and you can see the rotation right here. And then here's the cold front, and thunderstorms will break out. When's the Steely Dan concert? So Tippy Dan is going to get rain in like an hour or so? No, Tippy Dan will not get rain in an hour or so. Tippy Dan, it'll be probably very late afternoon or more likely overnight tonight. Hey, good morning, Brian Eggers. So right in here, this is 5 o'clock tomorrow. Right in here, low pressure center over about Saginaw County, cold front. This is a spot that can get severe weather in that kind of situation. And I'll tell you what, the Storm Prediction Center, they don't always do a great job for our area. Sometimes they forget that Michigan can have severe weather. Here is today into 8 o'clock tomorrow morning severe weather forecast, all expected to be down to the south. Here is tomorrow. They take it to what they call a marginal risk and in the southeast. And I think that's because they think the timing will be wrong coming through Michigan in the middle of the day. Hey, good morning, Al Blink. All right, so here's our temperatures today. Another comfortable, great summer day. Temperatures in the lower 80s all across the board. Detroit, Ann Arbor, Jackson, Kalamazoo, Grand Rapids, 82, Saginaw Bay City, Midland, about 82, Traverse City, Leelanau County, and temperatures in the 70s across the UP. Let's look at it a little bit further, okay? And I'll show you what I'm talking about with tomorrow afternoon. This is tonight, middle of the night. Boy, I tell you what, I would love this right here. This is the rainfall in a 6-hour time period, and we need it bad across the Saginaw Valley and the Thumb. It's been since Memorial Day weekend, my yard has had 2/10 of an inch rains. So it's pretty bad. So this is tomorrow morning. And there you can see the storm center, okay? So this is at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It might be that we escape severe weather just because of the timing comes in a little bit early, a few hours, and we might have clouds and showers before that. That kind of keeps the air a little stable, doesn't allow the severe weather to develop. And then we go into tomorrow evening, and it would be nice again to see these wraparound rains come around behind this storm system off of Saginaw Bay. So there could be several rounds of storms from tonight through tomorrow morning. Then we get into the heat. I want to show you Friday's pattern. I think Friday might be hotter than what we think. This is Friday. Hey, good morning, Al. Thank you. Loving the updates. This is a warm pattern, okay? These dark lines, that's a southwesterly flow. The red lines are the temperatures aloft, and here's this nose of warmth, 24 degrees Celsius at 5,000 feet. That's a 95 degree plus type air. And look at in the middle of the night, Friday night, Saturday morning. Here's a closed 24 plus 24 Celsius. If that comes down to the ground, that comes, that's 95 to, if you're dry, 99, or dare I say, 100 degrees. And my target city for 100 degrees, Alpena. They get hot on a southwesterly wind on Saturday. One change over the last couple of days, this warm weather could break down a little quicker. This is Sunday, and showers and thunderstorms developing. We'll still need it then, especially after the hot weather. And then we cool just a touch, it looks like. Riding motorcycle to work today. Any chance of rain today between 6 and 7? Where? Let's see. And then the final thing I want to leave you with, 6 to 10 day forecast, July 1st to 4th. Strong chance of warmer than normal. 8 to 14 day forecast, July 3rd through 9th. Strong chance of warmer than normal. Although I'm not so sure about that just yet. It will be warmer than normal, but I'm not sure that it will be what we would call hot, that extended. Okay, so remember when everybody was complaining in March and April, and it's going to be a cold summer, and I said no. Do not worry. Just because it's cold in March and April doesn't mean the summer's going to be cold. It's not, and this is just a building feed to August. Of course, we can be hot, but we're losing the sunshine then. So today, dry in most of Michigan except the southwest corner. You can ride your motorcycles anywhere from, say, Lansing toward the north and east. A great day for that. Then we got the showers and storms tonight and tomorrow. Good chance of useful rainfall in many of the dry areas. Then we got intense heat for Friday into Saturday. Saturday, the hottest day. Most spots will be 94 at least to 95, 96, 97. Maybe a couple of 98s, 99s, or even you know what, the century mark. There you have it. Enjoy your weather today. We'll keep you updated on MLive. Check my posts. I'll be watching for the severe weather in the next 36 hours. Not a big threat right now, but I think that could change.